बोली श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय. Devotees, let's all join as we praise that one Supreme Purush, the Lord of all creation, both animate and inanimate. That supreme prop upon which we all lean. प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी. तुम पितु माता विश्व विधाता, तुम पितु माता विश्व विधाता, सब जीवन हितकार, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी. रचना सारी अचरज भरी, रचना सारी अचरज भरी, सब जीवन हितकार, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी. घट घट गामी अंतरयामी, घट घट गामी अंतरयामी, सकल भुवन आधार, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी. ब्रह्मानंद सब सुख कंद, ब्रह्मानंद सब सुख कंद, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, हे सुन लो मेरी पुकार, प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी, कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी कमल बलिहारी प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी। प्रभु तेरे चरण कमल बलिहारी प्रभु तेरे। बोली श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय। Devotees, life's journey continues. How does it continue? The condition of life or conditions of life depends upon each individual. So I emphasize each individual, you. Life is what you make it. Many of us depend upon others to make our lives what we want them to be. But no, life is what I make it. It all depends upon my own effort. We can all belong to the very same family, living under one roof. Yet each person will have different experiences. Within that very same home, some could be happy, some unhappy, some in pain, some in good condition, good health. What causes all this? Such differences in between even one family, not to speak of the community or even the country. Each individual devotees creates his or her own destiny. And this point has been emphasized, that if I don't take charge of my life, somebody else may do so. And my life will definitely be not what I would like it to be. Now, when the Lord Sri Ram destroyed all the demonic forces, he returned to Ayodhya Puri. He became Raja Ram, the king of Ayodhya. Under his reign, certain conditions existed. Certain negativities disappeared. And as we continue life's journey, if we want to experience the bliss, the fulfillment, the elevation that we seek, some of these conditions need to be maintained. Some of these negativities need to be avoided. It depends on every individual. So on an individual basis, I make my life what I want it to be. Collectively though, we can have problems. If everybody doesn't decide to go the same way, then we have problems. But if each individual decides to take charge of his or her life, carry out the right living principles, then society itself will become better. Now, I'm going to present one or two chaupais from Uttarakhand that will tell us about the condition that existed when Sri Ram was king. But let me emphasize, Ayodhya represents the human body. Sri Ram, spirituality. So when we say Raja Ram, what we mean by this, that when spirituality dominates the physical Ayodhya, this Ayodhya of ours, the human body, when spirituality dominates, then and only then there is perfection. And I have drawn this line between spirituality and religiousness, which people confuse badly. We have plenty of religiousness. Many may be in various temples and churches and mosques, wherever praying. But you know what? It may be judgmental, but you have to analyze within yourselves that no longer the prayers are finished. People continue their normal way of life, of dishonesty, no integrity, untruths, the negativities. So where is spirituality? Spirituality is the maintenance of all these noble virtues and practices, dharma. We have many, many religious people, but not too many spiritual ones. Not religiousness will save us devotees. It is spirituality. And spirituality cuts across all boundaries. Religiousness sometimes creates religious fanatics, which create more problems in life. So understand the point I am making, that each individual has to become more spiritual. Not more religious. You could become more religious if you want to, quite okay. But spirituality is what is necessary. You could pray from now till eternity. If you don't develop spirituality, you're reaching nowhere. And one very important reason why is that spirituality is your essence, your true nature. Aham Brahmasmi. Now, when spirituality exists, when perfection exists, let's look from Ramayana perspective at the negativities that are avoided, the positive qualities and practices that are carried out, and we apply to life. I would like you also to pay attention to our country, the conditions to which we are subjected, the influences to which we are exposed, by leadership and otherwise. Compare. Yagyavalkya ki Muni devotees village of Bharadwaji in Sri Ram Rajya, what obtained? दैहिक दैविक भौतिक तप राम राज नहीं काहू ही व्याप सब नर करहि परस्पर प्रीति चलहि स्वधर्म निरत श्रुति रीति चारु चरण धर्म जगमहि पूरी रहा स्वप्निहु अघनहि राम भक्ति रत नर यरु नरी सकल परम गति के अधिकारी जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय रघुराम जय परधाम जय सुखधाम जय श्री राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम दैहिक दैविक भौतिक ताप. There are three kinds of pains to which we are exposed, and all based upon karmas. In Ram Rajya, or where there is a state of perfection, none of these types of pain exist. Daihik, deha sambandhi, physical discomfort, physical diseases. Analyze what is happening to the world, even our country. Dengue, chickpea, Ebola hasn't reached here yet. AIDS, all different kind of problems decimating the human society. Daihik tap. Could anybody say that you're free from daihik tap? We're all subjected to it. In Ram Rajya, that didn't exist. And I want you to draw it to the state of spirituality. When you are immersed in oneness with the self, divine consciousness, you rise beyond all these external stimuli. This is the solution. Unless you reach there, you're subjected to all these things. Nobody's exempted from it. no exceptions. Daivik tap, environmental disasters over which we have no control. No control. Devotees, world weather patterns, horrible. In certain places, extreme weather conditions, man is suffering tremendously. Scriptures tell us cumulative karmas cause that. And everybody is part of it. Cumulative karmas. We mustn't say it's them and not me. Everybody is part of it. This is why I started off by saying each person has to take charge. I must do my bit. Everything begins with me. I must do my bit. So devotees, this will continue unless people begin to take charge of their lives and develop spirituality. In Ramraj, didn't exist. For everybody was absorbed in that divine consciousness. Bhautik tap, problems created by other people, external forces, human beings, animals. Check in our country, how many murders, how many crime, different serious crimes. The police may say serious crimes decrease. Decrease. Is it removed? Huh? You're gloating about decrease in crime, but crime still exists. People are still in pain caused by other people. Bhautik tap. In Sri Ram Rajya, none of these things existed. Kisi ko nahi vyapi. No one was subjected to the three types of pain. If you want to free yourself from this pain, devotees, from the three types of pain, you know what you have to do. If you don't know, then even God can't help you. Even God can't help you. Sab nar karahi paraspar priti. Everybody, men, women alike, they had affection for each other. There was no hatred, no animosity, no envy, no jealousy, no negativities pervading society. And one of the important reasons why that each person was satisfied within himself. Maybe they had reached that point of self-actualization where they don't worry about anybody else. Everybody absorbed in the divine within themselves. Chalahi Swadharm Niratsuti Riti. Everybody followed the parampara, the traditions of the ancestors, maintaining the principles and devotees, not only of the ancestors, the lineage, but also of the scriptures. People follow the scriptures. The constructive teachings of scriptures that help to protect us against negative forces. And not sometimes, it was the way of life. Satya Sauch Daya Dan, the four principles, basic fundamental principles of Sanatana Dharma were maintained. Satyam, truth. Truth. And I have been maintaining that, it is easier in this age, the present time, to get money out of a man than to get truth out of a man. People look at you in your eyes and tell you blatant lies. Or they put the lie even in front of God. Then how it is expected that we can be in a state of joy, ecstasy? Satyam, truth has to be maintained. Sauch, internal as well as external cleanliness. Internal cleanliness, Kam, Krodh, Mad, Lobh, Ahankar, these negative impurities, get rid of them. Physically, hygiene, healthcare. And Sanatana Dharma deals a lot with this aspect of man's life. You are told you have to carry out daily ablutions before you perform your oblations. If you don't purify yourself physically, don't tell me about your mind clean. Many people say, my mind clean, don't mind my body looking so. If you have a clean mind, you won't have your body looking so. When I say so, I mean untidy and unkempt. So devotees, hygiene, purity, both external and internal. Compassion, daya, compassion. Devotees, what we saw recently. Whatever be the circumstances, when those in authority abuse those who even disabled, is there any daya? No matter what the circumstances, sometimes you can have these circumstances that could trip you. Yes, I admit to that. But devotees, as we have been seeing, if what we saw was correct and wasn't hatched technologically, because these things could be possible, what would you say about a person in authority slapping a disabled man in a wheelchair? Is there compassion? Is there compassion? When our own people, you as parents, would brutalize your own children, abuse, whether verbally, sexually, physically, you call that compassion? And don't tell me these things do exist in society. These things exist in abundance, more than we care to accept or would like to accept. Devotees, there is no compassion. Ram Raj, compassion existed on all sides. And Dan, charity. Charity, it does exist. But most times people give charity because when you see they can make newspapers, hit the national media, otherwise they're not doing it. They're not doing it. What I'm trying to drive at, charity done without any expectations. It's like a man puts something inside a room, you lock the door and throw away the key. You do your charity, forget you have done that. There is no expectation. Don't look for name, fame, glory. Once, one person told me, I wouldn't call names, one of my godsons, he lived away, that how very, very charitable they are, and how much social service they do. And he kept boasting upon that, the I. I just had to tell him, thank God you have disabled people and poor people that you could give them so you could open your mouth. You understand the point I'm making? He's boasting. But if you didn't have the poor man, could you give? If you didn't have the disabled man, could you help? Thank them that you had the opportunity to do something good. Don't boast and gloat about it. But this is man's attitude. You always look for self-praise, self-projection. That is not spirituality. That is ego. Here we are told that in Ram Raj, these four, Dan existed to its extreme. Everything was sattvic, pure. And so, because of such a practice, everybody maintained their various duties, fulfilled obligations. Swapna nehu aghanahi, not even dream was sins committed. Sins, both of omission and commission, none affected anybody at all. Because everybody maintained the principles. Jaisa karni, vaisa bharni. We said that. And remember that I can go against scriptural injunctions. I create sins of commission. I fail to carry out injunctions, sins of omission. Many of us, we strut about with a sense of pride. I don't do anything bad. Good, that's very good. But scriptures have indicated certain practices you should carry out. Do you carry them out? If you don't, you create sins of omission. Sins of omission, which just as bad as sins of commission. In Ram Rajya, everybody understood what their duties were. And many of us devotees, if we analyze, when it's convenient for us, we do certain things. God is not a convenient kind of thing. It's not a convenient store. You have to make that time. We have to understand what our duties, responsibilities are and carry them out. Then in such a case, the burdens of sins wouldn't follow us, as happened under Ram Raj. Everybody professed devotion to that Supreme Lord. Not part-time. And I keep referring to VAPs. You catch a VAPs and you pray. If VAPs gone, you stop praying. Consistency. Constancy. That is important. Everybody was focused upon that supreme objective. Paramgati. What is supreme objective, devotees? Supreme objective, to be in oneness with that Lord. Now many of us would say, I have my family to mind. I had to get my work. I had to do this. I had to do that. While studying to find God. If I find God, I want to ask Him to give me a good job. Ask Him to give me this. You want to beg God for everything. What you get today, you lose tomorrow. If you get God, you get everything. This is the difference between those who are insensible and those who are foolish. Those who are foolish gravitate towards the material. Those who are wise gravitate towards the spiritual. And by so doing, they gain everything material. But they're not attached or bound to it. They free themselves from it. But they have that supreme objective, the supreme Paramgati. Devotees, in Ram Rajya, nobody had short life. Alpam mrityu nahi kavani pira. Nobody died young. Nobody. Now check. We all are aware of the fact, we should be. Last year, how many people died? In the Asian country alone, Malaysia Airlines, three aircrafts disappeared. One shut down, two disappeared. Last one, they found it, 162 people aboard. Entire family aboard. Plane crashed a short while after takeoff. Now they're finding pieces and finding floating corpses. Everybody died. People still hope and pray that somebody may survive. Maybe, I don't know. Check how many families are crying today. Check how many families are crying today. Crying for the young ones. They don't cry for the old one too much. But on all sides, devotees, there's pain. Young ones are going. Check in our country alone. The murder rate is so high. Compare the ages. How many young ones have gone compared to old ones? How many parents are crying? Crying. If you could cry blood, they cry blood. What causes all that? And you know what? Still we persist and we continue the same foolish way, not realizing that we have to change direction. We try all kind of ploys, politically and otherwise. But the answer, devotees, I'm saying over and over, the atheists may laugh at this. You can laugh. At least I'm giving you something to laugh at. I'm happy that you can laugh at something before you cry. But devotees, spirituality is the answer. And individuals, I'm not talking about religiousness. I've mentioned that already. Religion has been the cause for millions of deaths already in this world. I'm talking about spirituality, which cuts across all boundaries. I'm talking about that honesty, the sincerity, the dutifulness, the love, these wonderful human values that we speak about, that we all need to inculcate within ourselves. Do they exist? Sometimes when these so-called when these principles are projected, there's a hidden agenda behind all this. You can't even trust those who do it, because there's so much deceit on all sides. All these actions lead to pain, despair, grief, anguish. And let me mention to you that there are 6 forms of anguish. 6 forms of anguish, devotees, and check and tell me in society. Hunger and thirst. 2. Grief and infatuation. Old age and death. Disease and death. There are 6 forms of anguish consuming society. Every society in the world. Yet we continue to do the same thing over and over again. You know what they said? What you know what clinical madness is? When you do the same thing over and over and expect to get a different result. Like clinical madness. It's based upon that I have been saying that majority of society mad. You keep doing the same nonsense over and over and expect to get a different result. It starts from top, coming right down to the bottom. And then when nothing works or things work negatively, we make all kind of excuses, put plaster over sore. Spin doctors try to produce all kind of things to say it's not so, it's so. Who are you fooling? Who are we fooling? Only ourselves. So devotees, Ram Raj, none of this. None of this. No poverty, no unhappiness, no ignorance, no foolishness. Everybody was well educated. Everybody maintained the principles properly. No pakhand, no hypocrites. No hypocrites. Everybody was wise. No scheme, no chaturai, no kapat. And I remember a bhajan that says, Koi lakh kari chaturai, karamaka lekhamiti nari bhai. Millions have tried all kind of scheme, deceit. They think they could fool everybody else, fool God. But they see what is written as karma, nobody could rub it off. And I want to emphasize this to all the young people here. Don't think that you could fool anybody except yourself. You may fool some of the people some of the time. You cannot fool all the people all the time. And God, never ever. Never ever. This is why I started off by saying, take charge. Take charge of your lives. Maintain the right principles. Avoid the negative things. And devotees, don't forget that you are responsible for you and I for me. You could do all kind of wrong thing and so and say, oh God, forgive me, oh God, forgive me. God will say, I didn't make you do it. You choose to do it. Jaisa karni, vaisa bharni. So as you continue life's journey, you reflect upon the past. What have you achieved? Where you are at? Where you want to go? You know, normally when we begin the journey, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of excitement. People make all kinds of resolutions. One man said, resolutions are made to be broken. Make them and break them. Otherwise, you know. Now, if you want to play with your lives, the choice is yours. But I keep saying, devotees, life is not a joke. Life is not a game. Don't gamble. Don't risk it. The scriptures have given us definite pathways. As you continue into the future, follow these pathways. If you have doubts as to these pathways, you consult the spiritualists, the genuine gurus who will guide you along the pathway. It's very easy to fall. And most importantly, keep that Lord in your heart. God makes a difference. Isn't that so? He makes a difference. So I want you to do some soul searching. Any situation you're in life, don't try to blame the other person or the other people. Look and see where you have gone wrong. I must look at where I have gone wrong. For there is something I can do about me. There is nothing I can do about you. Everything begins with me. Sri Ram devotees, that Supreme Purush, the king of Ayodhya, Raja Ram. When that spirituality dominates the physical, then I am a state of perfection, a state of bliss. And if each person can become like that, then think about what our country could be. I can't speak about the whole world, but our country. We live here. Think about it. We all have a responsibility. Ram, 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 Bole. Ram, 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 Bole. Ram Bole, Ram Bole. Ram Bole, Ram Bole. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Bole. Ram, 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 Nand Rama. Ram, 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 Nand Rama.
Ram, 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 Nand Rama. Ram, 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 Nand Rama.
Ram, 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 Param Dhama. Ram, 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 Param Dhama.
Ram, 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 Param Dhama. Ram, 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 Param Dhama.
Ram, 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 Sukh Dhama. Ram, 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 Sukh Dhama.
Ram, 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 Sukh Dhama. Ram, 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 Sukh Dhama.
राम 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 बोले,
राम बोले,
राम बोले, राम बोले,
राम बोले,
राम बोले,